Okay, this is Charles Conkle. I'm with Rock Valley College. I'm going to go over the summer and fall 2015 courses. And so I'm going to go ahead and switch over to some web pages first. You're actually Rocky there, and got a beautiful sunshine in the background. So let's go and get started. Okay, I'm going to go to my website. It goes over the courses for the summer and fall 2015. All right, we'll start out with the summer session 1. Summer session 1 is created and offered iOS Bootcamp. For the last 2 years, students have been asking for an iOS development course, bootcamp type course. It's 4 Saturdays in summer session 1. We'll meet for those 4 Saturdays and create some popular apps. And I'll show you the some of the app types that we'll be creating for that course. So it's a 3-credit hour class. The programming language is Swift. And if you go to my website, cconkle.com, you can actually click on this Swift link. It'll tell you more about the language. It's a new programming language Apple's created as of last summer. The duration of the course is from May 23rd to June 14th. It's for 4 Saturdays from 7:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. The course description is we'll be creating apps from day 1, gaming, maps, GPS apps, backend database apps, and audio video apps. You will receive a 3-ring binder, those that register for the course, and all the tutorials along with the DVD containing source code and references and video tutorials will be in the binder. Lunch will be provided each Saturday at lunch from noon to 1. No textbook is required for the course. Saturday, May 23rd is the first session. In that Saturday course will be game basics with Sprite Kit, creating a Tetris type game along with point and shoot with enemies. Here's some examples of the screenshots of the actual apps we'll be creating. Here's a Tetris type and the point and shoot, kind of asteroid Galaga type. Saturday, May 30th, session 2, we'll be creating maps with MapKit. Create a driving directional app using pinpoints like this one right here. We'll also be creating an app that keeps up with local crimes within the area, and it'll pinpoint those crimes with red pins, and then the green pins will be those that are crime-free. Third session, June 6th, Saturday, June 6th, we'll be using a backend database on parse.com. We'll create a chat messaging app using Facebook login, and some examples of those apps are like this one right here, where you have a login screen and then a chat screen. Here at the bottom is a general app for creating lists. And then the last Saturday, you'll be creating a video recording app that you'll be able to apply filters to videos. Here's an example of a video that was taken on 3/17 of this year in WTC, and it was applied a grayscale filter to the video, and here is the outcome of that grayscale. So you'll create those apps. 4 apps you'll be creating. Again, the first session is a gaming, second session is maps, third, backend database, and fourth and final session is video recording app. So that is summer session 1 boot camp. Summer session 2, these 2 courses here we'll go over next, is the iOS marketing and publishing apps and iOS mobile app. We'll go over the iOS marketing and publishing app first. This has been offered the last few summers, and the premise of this is to basically teach students how to publish an app once it's been created. And it walks through what is mobile marketing, why market your app, methods of marketing an app, stages of Apple developer registration, preparing an app for publishing, publishing an app to the Apple App Store, post-marketing, and then tools to track downloads. It's online, and again, the duration is June 15th through August 5th, and no prereqs and no textbook for that one. And the call letters for that class is CIS 290 XX4. The third one in the summer session 2, is iOS mobile app. It's a shortened version of the fall and spring semester. For 8 weeks, June 15th through August 5th. Again, no textbooks required. We'll be using the programming language Swift. The course call letters is CIS 280 21010. The course topics that will be covered will be handling keyboard inputs, supporting screen rotations, displaying persistent data using table view, using application preferences, file handling, database storage, programming the cloud, and performing simple animation and video playback. So now let's go into the fall semester courses that are being offered. So I'm going to make my screen a little bigger here for you. The first I want to go over is PCP 110 Network Essentials. This course meets every Thursday from 7:25 to 10 p.m. Students will learn the basics of computer networking. You'll have hands-on labs for this course. It's designed to instruct those who are going to be over a local area network, LAN managers, supervisors of managers, of LAN managers, users of LANs, or those considering the purchase and installation of a LAN. Students will install, troubleshoot local area networks as a part of the course. PCT 130 is the next one. It meets every Tuesday and Thursday from 4:30 to 5:45. Students learn the basics of network security through discussion and weekly hands-on. Internships are also offered. And this course has been popular because it shows weekly labs to the students that are pertinent in everyday life. Network security topics like intrusion detection, remote access, web security, email security, authentication, cryptography, and we'll also go over like man-in-the-middle attack and denial of service. Web 225 digital photography. This course meets Tuesday, 7:30 to 10:15. Students in this class will learn the basics of digital photography. You just need a basic point-and-shoot camera or a DSLR is required. I've even had students succeed with this class just taking a normal, with a normal camera phone as well. Digital photography introduced basic digital imaging applications. Emphasis is placed on color theory, calibration, scanning, enhancement, importing, and exporting photographic images. We'll also cover digital formatting. At the end of the semester in this class, you will create a portfolio of your choosing that will be 30 to 50 photos. You'll convert that to a DVD and present that at the end of the semester. Now we'll switch to the online courses in fall 2015. We have CIS 280, which is a face-to-face and online both. This class will meet on Monday from 4:30 to 7:25. All students in this class will receive a loaner iPad mini for the semester, and your $99 development license will be waived by Apple. I do recommend signing up for this class quickly before it fills up. Internships are also offered on this course as well. And again, this is offered for online and face-to-face both. CIS 180, in order to Visual Basic Programming. This course is online. This course teaches students how to program Windows-based applications from week 1. It goes over topics of Windows programming standards, conventions, database programming, arrays, controls and properties, methods, and events. If you do register for this course, email me at c.conkle@rockvalleycollege.edu so I can send you some information immediately. As well as I did mention, if you register for the online CIS 280, if you could email me as well, that would be great so I can get you started. And the last course I want to cover is Web 234, PHP Programming. This course meets online. It covers the basics of PHP and SQL database design. Students will learn how to create personal business and e-commerce apps. You'll also learn basic and advanced object-oriented programming techniques using PHP and Ajax apps. You'll also learn techniques necessary to prepare students to build server-side enterprise app web applications. And as well, because it's online, if you could email me when you register at c.conkle@rockvalleycollege.edu, that would be great. Also, you'll notice on my website here, there is multiple, do you have any questions right now? Click here. If you click this here button, it will send a message to me immediately and I can chat with you. So appreciate your time. If you have any questions, definitely email me at c.conkle@rockvalleycollege.edu, or you can click on the here link here to chat with me live anytime. So have the rest of the semester, good rest of your semester, and hope to see you in the future.